Hello everyone, I am Prey and today we are doing another reading comprehension. In this video, I'm going to read a text and then we have some questions that we have to answer. So we will do that together. Okay, let's go. Books. I am Tony. I love to read. I read books in the library. I like to read books about animals. Now we have three questions and we are going to attempt them, but first I want you guys to pause this video and try to do them on your own. Okay, and then check if our answers match or if you were stuck at something. Alright, so pause it. Done? Awesome. Now let's go. First question is, who loves to read? Three options: Ted, Tony, and Tim. Now let's look at the text. It says, I am Tony. So Tony is speaking to us. He's like, hey, I am Tony. Next line is, I love to read. So Tony, he, I is Tony. Tony is speaking to us. Tony loves to read. Okay, so B option. Second question is, where does he read books? A. In the room. B. In the house. C. In the library. Now look at the third line that says, I read books in the library. So Tony is saying he reads books in the library. So third option, in the library. Third question is, what kind of books does he read? So we have three options. A. Books about animals. B. Books about food. C. Books about sports. So let's look at the text again. Fourth line says, I like to read books about animals. So our answer is A. Books about animals. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And buy me a coffee if you want. A link is in the description box. Okay? Bye!